Hello guys, welcome to Do It Easy Guide tutorial. I have this YouTube account in this single dudes at Gmail, and I have a YouTube channel on this one. So let me so now I am on YouTube, and if I go to YouTube Studio, I can see the inside of the channel. So as you can see, so this channel has about 43 subscribers. This was one of abandoned YouTube channel I did some times back. This is how you move this channel to another Gmail. So go to settings. Under settings, there's permissions. So you have two options. Keep managing permissions in your brand account. Continue using your brand account to add change permission. You can assign people to one of two roles, including owner or manager. So the second option, permission to YouTube Studio. Get more roles to choose from, including manager. In my case, I'm gonna go to this keep managing permission in your brand account. In this way, I can move my channel entirely to another Gmail. I'm gonna click this manage permission. So then you are going to this my account google.com brand account page. So here sometime when you click manage permission, it will send a SMS to your mobile phone and get the verifications to verify that it's all you. If it asks for mobile SMS confirmation, wait for it, get the PIN number from the mobile and enter the PIN number. Okay. So once you done that, after that you can click again manage permission, then you are end with this pop-up window. So here you can see there's only one primary owner. You can add new users by clicking here. So here it says allow others to help you manage business info, customer reviews and YouTube videos. It is easy to assign different levels of access to each user. Okay, so here you can add names or email addresses. So I'm going to add my email, my other account email, doiteasyguide@gmail.com. okay, doiteasyguide. Yeah, then I can change their role. Okay, so as you can see, there's three roles: owner, manager, communication manager. Owner means owner can do anything like removing other owners, adding new owners, everything. But managers, they can only do certain tasks, but they can't remove or add owners such, but they can edit, manage content. Move further. So I'm gonna select owner because I'm gonna add a new owner, and so this email will manage this account further on. So I'm going to click invite. So once I click invite, it says invited owner. Okay, so I'm going to click done. So let me go to my other email account. As you can see, so I have this email from Google. Sanjay Pereira invited you to own single tune. Awesome. Once you click it, it shows the email and I can click accept invitation. Once I click accept invitation, it says become an owner of single dudes, blah blah. Your name and email address will be displayed to the owners and managers of this brand account. Accept. So now this channel is under my new Gmail. So let's click YouTube, act as single dudes on YouTube. So here's the new channel. As you can see, so now I have full control of this single dudes channel. And if you go to permissions, so it's asking for my password. I'm gonna click next again. As I said earlier, so it's asking for the mobile verification, and here you can see I am the new owner here. Okay, so If I want, I can make myself as a primary owner, and it says make Sanjay Perra the primary owner of the single tudes, and can add or delete the owners and managers, change account permissions including yours, delete this account completely, transfer. But it says primary owner can transfer to user who has been managed for more than 7 days. So that means I have to stay 7 days and then I can transfer the ownership. Okay guys, so now it's I came back to finish this tutorial. Now it's more than 7 days and now I am on this single tude channel. And now let's see to remove the earlier owner and keep the new one. So I'm going to go to settings and permissions. So here I click manage permission, and then again I'm going to click so this is brand account detail single tude, and going to click manage permission. So I need to verify my account again. So that's the usual practice. If I am doing any security upgrades, security changes to the account, so we need to verify our ownership of our account. Now it's done. So I'm going to click again manage permission. Now I am on pop-up window. So to take true control of this channel to my new Gmail account, to make this new user as primary owner. Currently this is the old primary owner, so I'm gonna change owner to primary owner, and it's asking the same message again. So I'm going to click transfer, and it's saying transferring ownership, and ownership transferred, and I'm going to click done. Let me check, let me go again, and now I can see, so this is the new account, and the earlier primary owner now act as a owner. So I'm gonna remove this owner, the old one. Remove from single tude. This user will lose access to this account and any associated content. And yes, I'm gonna remove it, and user removed. Okay, I'm gonna close this, and so that's how you transfer your YouTube ownership to a new Gmail account. So maybe you are selling a YouTube account, so that's how you get a new YouTube account. If you are purchasing or if you are selling your ownership or whatever. And if you have any questions, please do comment below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you very much. Let's meet on another tutorial.